All right, guys, in order to gain access to the security gateway module to install the temporary bypass device in the heavy-duty Ram trucks, 2019 and up, you actually have to remove the cluster. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your center stack. There's just two screws at the top. Once you pull those out, the center stack comes out. And then what we're going to do is remove this little bezel trim here. So basically this just pops out at the bottom. At the top, it pops out kind of down. This just is, you can just remove that. And then you need to pop out these little panels here to gain access to a screw here. Pop out this little panel here to gain access to this screw. Pull those two screws out there, and then there's two screws up here at the top of your instrument panel cluster. And then this just is easily removed and it just pulls right out. There's a connector behind it, just disconnect that, push the tab in, and pull it out. All right, you'll notice the security gateway module right here. There's two plugs in it, so just unplug both of them, press the tabs at the top, and simply plug them into the bypass device. Make sure they are seated fully in until you hear the clicking sound. Now we can turn the vehicle into the run position. We can run our OBD Genie programmer. Once we get the green light, we just disconnect these connectors and plug it right back into the security gateway module.